crying out loud. Why does this always happen to me? Ah! Better. Okay, so here's the thing, I'm pretty confused at the moment, and to be honest, it doesn't take much for me to get confused, to be honest. Apologies about the wind. I've tried moving, but this seems like the best spot. Plus there's a swing here, so... Okay, so here's my confusion. So I'm confused about when it is that we're actually allowed to leave the house at the moment. And they're saying, you know, one thing like you should get out and get some exercise, which is what I'm trying to do today. But at the same time, we're getting mixed signals. If you go onto the government website, and it says, when can I leave home? You must not leave or be outside your home except where you have a reasonable excuse. This is the law. I've moved, I think it's a bit more sheltered from the wind here. So on the same website, it's got another bit of information that says, you must not leave the house or be outside your home except where necessary. You may leave your home to shop for basic necessities, go to work, exercise with your household, meet your support bubble, seek medical assistance, or attend education or childcare. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, does going out on a Sunday, trying to get some exercise, go for a walk, do a little bit of filming, does that constitute a reasonable excuse? I mean, there's plenty of people out today, so it's not like it's just me, but obviously if I'm going to make these videos and they're going to go on the internet, kind of need to abide by the rules, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. All I wanted to really say about that. I'm just, as I said in the last video, I'm still going to get out and try to make these videos. I'm actually at the Helford today again, because, you know, where else is there to go within the sort of radius of what we're allowed to do. So let's continue on the walk and I'll take you with me. I am still currently working. Oh god. Whoop, slippery. I am still currently working from home. Working 9 to 5 at home, literally not leaving the house. By the time you finish work at like 5 o'clock, it's dark, and then you tend not to go out. So I'm finding more and more I'm slipping back into, I'm not going out. I'm literally doing my job, finishing work, cooking dinner, and not actually doing what I like doing, which is getting out and exploring. So that's why today is, I'd say this is a valid reason. Oh gosh, I think it's time to get the drone out. This guy knows what's going on. Exercise. Pick up those rocks, mate. Yes, mate. Proper exercise. So today I've actually got my big bag with me where I've got those socks that I was talking about for drying off the drone and everything. However, I am fairly accident prone and I just cut my finger. So another thing to keep in your bag are plasters or bandages, or what I'm using, masking tape, because you know, masking tape will do anything. It's got like 1,000 uses. I think that's pretty much it from me today. I'm going to start doing this thing where I say something at the end of the video, and just to see who actually watches these videos all the way to the end. So stay tuned to the end, and whatever I say, leave it in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this week's episode of Love Sundays. I'll see you next week. Okay, so it's going to be a nice simple one today. It's literally going to be, I made it to the end. Leave that in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.